Is your Amazon Alexa's microphone not working? This usually happens due to muted mic, hardware damage, or software bugs. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Amazon Alexa's microphone not working issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone is connected to the Alexa device. Your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solution. Solution 1. Check the microphone permissions for the Alexa app. First, find the microphone settings on your iPhone. So, for example, I'm using an iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down again. Find the microphone. Make sure to enable Amazon Alexa from here. Solution 2. Check if the microphone on your Alexa device is muted. Most Echo devices have a microphone button. If you are seeing a red light on your device, then your device's mic is muted. Press the button to unmute it, and also make sure the volume on your Alexa device is turned up to a reasonable level. You can ask Alexa, volume up. Solution 3. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. Solution 4. Faulty button. If the button still doesn't work after restarting, it's possible there's a hardware issue with the button. In this case, you might need to contact Amazon customer service for assistance or consider a replacement. Hope your Alexa microphone not working issue is solved by now. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below, and if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.